If you want to grow your real estate investment portfolio, then you must gain knowledge on mortgages. What's up guys, this is Aditya. Welcome back to my channel. If you haven't hit that subscribe button, please do so right now for an awesome content regarding real estate investor journey and realtor journey. So, in this video, I want to talk about how I was taken advantage when I was looking to buy my second property, and I was asked to give 5,000 cash as a fees for a mortgage person because I didn't had enough knowledge. So I was taken advantage. And if you had any experiences like that, please let me know in the comments below. This is pretty common. And also, if you wanna grow your investment portfolio, it's really important to have a mortgage knowledge, because in mortgage there will be lots of things that goes into it. If you don't know, then you don't know what you're buying into. For example, what's variable rate, what's fixed rate, what is line of credit, what is secured line of credit, what is unsecured line of credit, and who are A lenders, who are B lenders, who are private lenders. How do you get your credit score, how does the credit score affect based on what kind of activities, what is amortization period, what is term, what is the equity loan, and what is a quick loan, and there are like a lot more things. What is the difference between residential mortgage or commercial mortgage? If I go with the list on and on, there are plenty of things. That's one of the reason before I got my mortgage license, to just understand how mortgages work and what kind of things involve in it. So I'm not suggesting you to go and get a mortgage license, but if you want to really succeed as a as a real estate investor, then you must know, you must have a solid knowledge about mortgages. So my recommendations for you is to go read a books. So I have a solid recommendations, 2 books if you're in Canada. If you're out of Canada, just Google on Amazon or Google searches saying that mortgage for real estate investors. You will find plenty of books on Amazon, and pick the one which has like top rating and look at the reviews. But for Canadians, this is the 2 books that really helped me out. One is Canadian Real Estate Investor Financing, 7 Secrets to Get All the Money You Want. That's a book number 1. And book number 2, Complete Taxation Guide to Canadian Real Estate Investors. So these 2 books gives you a really in-depth knowledge about all the topics that I just mentioned. And also I'm actually going forward, I'm going to make more sequence videos on the same topics that I just mentioned, the whole list. From that, I'm going to do a video on what is variable and what is fixed, and I'm going to do video on what is secure, unsecure, each different topics, to give you in-depth knowledge if you're not really interested in books, if you don't have enough patience to go through those things. But I would strongly recommend, because if in order to succeed anything, you must have knowledge. So if you don't have knowledge, you will be taken advantage. You will be losing your hard-earned money, which I don't want happen for you. So that's the whole reason of my channel, and that's the whole reason why you are listening to me, right? So go buy those books and read it, and let me know in the comments below what do you think about those books, and let me know in the comments below what if you have any bad experiences at the mortgages, or if you have any good experiences by knowing. And here's the thing, like, if you know the mortgage details properly, you can really grow your portfolio very quickly. Because here is the reason I say that. For example, if you're sitting on $1 million property, which is, for example, if you're in Toronto, you have a home which is $1 million, it's free and clear. Now, if you don't know how to leverage that money, if you don't know about secured line of credit, then you won't do anything. Whereas now, if you know some details of the mortgage. Now, hey, you know what, you're sitting on an equity $1 million. I will go and refinance it and put that equity into a line of credit rather than taking as a mortgage and spending all that money on some cars or any expensive stuff. Rather, now if you're a little bit smart enough and if you have a knowledge on mortgages, now what you would do, just go and put it on a line of credit, secure line of credit, so that now you don't have to pay any mortgage unless you use. So whatever the amount you're gonna use, you're gonna pay mortgage for that. Now you have for example, if your property is $1 million, then you can get up to like 80% of loan to value, which is 800,000 secure line of credit. It's a freaking gold. You can make awesome lifestyle, awesome, by leveraging that money into a bigger portfolio, by buying 4-unit buildings, like maybe 5, 6, 7 buildings if it's in Windsor. So if you did not know any knowledge of, if you did not know anything about mortgages, then you would not even take an advantage of your own asset. So it's just sitting there. So now you have a 800,000 secured line of credit. So secure line of credit will allow you to buy more real estate properties. So what it means, you can use, for example, if you want to buy another 500,000 multi-unit building, now you can take 100,000 from your 800,000 secure line of credit and buy that another 500,000 property. So now you leveraged your 100,000 into another 500,000 with income producing asset, not a liability. So if you would not had any knowledge about the mortgages, then you would have done nothing. So that's the reason why I strongly recommend, in order to grow your portfolio, get more in-depth knowledge. Nowadays you're sitting in a freaking awesome generation where you just have all the information at your fingertip. Instead of scrolling through the Facebook, just scroll through the content that is related to that specific topic that can help you grow your portfolio. So I think that's what I would like to share on this video. And if you see any value in this video, let me know in the comments below. I would love to hear your stories. And also, if you want any other specific details from me, any other specific information about real estate finances, please let me know in the comments below. I would love to make more videos to make your life better, your investing process, smoother than mine, smoother than others, because it's always good to learn from other investors, because now you don't have to fail in the process which other people who already succeeded in it. So with that, thank you so much for watching, and looking forward to see you in next video. And you can watch more videos here on my end screen. Have a wonderful day.